Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to backup your data in Microsoft OneDrive. So guys, first of all, let's just open our OneDrive application on our phone. Then after we have our OneDrive application opened, we can tap on this file option right here. Then you're going to select a folder you want to back up your file to, and you can also create new folder. If you want to create new folder, you can tap on this plus button. And for me, I'm just going to back up my data to this folder, this new folder. So I'm going to tap on the folder. Then we can tap on this plus button and we can start uploading the file we want to back up to Microsoft OneDrive. Tap on this upload option and upload some files from your device you want to back up to your OneDrive account. And for me, I'm going to select my document. This is just for an example. I'm going to, for example, pick up my data on the download folder, this one. So we can tap and hold on the first file. Then we can tap on another file to select the file. Then just tap on select. And we have to wait until the process complete. Okay, and now the data has been backed up, as you can see. And alright guys, that's how we can back up data in Microsoft OneDrive. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.